this view. I am so scared. I am afraid of heights. But look how pretty this is. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so that's the Blackfire Brazilian restaurant. So downtown Disney is this way, over on the opposite side, right across the street. Oh, we should go. So basically from this hotel we can walk to downtown Disney. It'll probably take us like 10 minutes. I guess directly across the street. So not this side, but the opposite. And Walmart is right there. Walmart is over here. So do we go to Walmart or do we go to downtown Disney?
You're asking me.
Really? Is it Walmart?
No. Downtown.
All right. Off to the video. Look how cute this is. This is a Disney. You guys can see Disney right here. It is my size. And it has Cinderella. It's a pink sweatshirt with Cinderella. Look how cute this is. And here's the sleeves. It says royalty on both the sleeves in blue. Again, that's what it looks like. Here's the UPC. And you guys, regular price is $14.88. This is a super cute sweater. And it's only $9. $9, you guys. You cannot beat $9 for this. Look how cute this shirt is. You guys know I'm getting this right here. Look at this. If you can read this, you are too close. I should get 3 of these, you guys. This is such a cute shirt. And I'm always using shirts like this just to run around. It looks like the name brand is called Wound Up. And this is an extra small. I already know my girls are going to steal it because we all wear the same size. But again, if you can read this, you are way too close. All right, so I'm going to show you the tag. All right, Walmart price $5. But it's only scanning up $3, you guys. $3. You can't go wrong with shirts, especially in Florida. The next one I found, I'll get over it. I just got to be dramatic first. Same name, Wound Up. This one is also $3. Regular price is $5. But you can't go wrong with the $3 shirt. And my favorite one, boom, look at that. Back to the Future. Now we live by Universal Studios, and I'm going to tell you, the Back to the Future, I don't think they have the Back to the Future ride anymore. I think they closed this down, but this is a classic. All right, so again, you're going to look out for this one. And it's only, boom, $3. Again, you guys know that if you've been to Universal Studios, you guys are not going to find a Back to the Future shirt for $3. So I'm thinking about getting the year passes again. And when we do, I got my shirt, you guys. All right, I'm in the women's department. And I came over here because of this sign. But look at this. This is No Boundaries. I love this color, you guys. Look at this. Look at all the detail. Super nice. Turn it around here. So this is what this bra looks like. Super nice. There goes Manny walking. You guys, he hates this department. Let me show you the UPC. And again, this one is No Boundaries. Look at that, you guys. There's UPC. And this is only coming up $3. $3 on Angel on the Go. All right, you guys, here's another one right here. This is a push-up bra. I am so mad. I just checked. They only have 2, and it's not my size. So I'm so mad because these bras are expensive. This is No Boundaries. And let me show you the tag right here. That's what it looks like. And I just showed you that one for $3. Again, this one's no boundaries. And here's the UPC. And you guys, this one's only $3 too. $3. You cannot beat that. Look at that. Look at that. Man, you having fun you having fun over here? Look, I can wear this for you tonight.
Okay.
Y'all look excited.
Then it'll be fun.
Okay, then it'll be fun. All right, so you guys, this one is only $3 on Angel on the Go. And this one right here is only $3. And the worst thing about this, they don't have my size in this one. And they don't have my size in this one. Sorry, Manny. We had to go somewhere else.
Why would you even say that then?
I don't know. I mean, I can get it big or small. What do you think? It's only $3. No? No? All right, you guys. Up next, we have the And One. Is that the And One? Okay, I'm not sure. This is blocking it, but I think it's And One. And it says design for the game. And look at how nice this ball is. It looks like they have a bunch of graffiti on it. I'm actually going to get this for my little one or all my little ones at the house, because we have a basketball court outside. So it says street ball. And it says official size. It says for ages 12 plus. So easy to palm grip. What's palm grip? Oh, okay. All right. You guys know I don't know nothing about sports. It says made for indoor and outdoor. And again, look at the design. Super nice. Turn it to the back. Nothing on the back. So I'm going to show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And you guys, this is only $4.90. This is a great price for a basketball. I believe it says the regular price was $9.97. So again, it's only $4.90 for this basketball. All right, up next, we just showed you the graffiti basketball. Look at this design right here. This is the red, blue, green, black, all kind of different colors. This is just like the other one, but this one says Cushion Supreme Grip. I have no clue what that means because I don't play sports, but I guess that's a good thing. Is that a good thing? All right, Manny says sure. Feel the grip. So I guess you feel the grip. I have no clue. Here's the UPC. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the price. Look at that. $6.40. The other one was a better price, but if you're looking for this color, it's only $6.40. I think it was about 10 bucks. Only on Angel on the Go.